Yeah, we're stuck in an elevator. So we're in New York and we're stuck in an elevator. Nick now, see Nick here? He must sweat. He's nervous. Help!
Yeah, people, you don't know it's your boy Gryzzly be around there. Yeah, the big artist, big bad artist, superstar. A ball out for help. Look no man. Yeah, more time you have to take serious things, make joke. You see me and say I just the humor. You see me, I don't know a Gryzzly beer and a beer vibes, you see me? So just look for a little clip there and see what I go on. Yeah man, the girl them artists man, the girl them bubblegum. Eh, look no man. Judge I'm an artist. John no star. Yes, the reggae vibes me that there. I represent. I don't know the vibes already. You see me and say, look forward to Dream Weekends. Yeah, that 5 days something there, the big discount promotion something that go on over here. We always are going with it year to year.
Blood, Moji. I first experience you stuck in an elevator, though. But we are fucking in.
No, good one.
Yeah, so we're in New York and we're stuck in an elevator. We just have all our vibes. Yeah, we're there. You don't know. Sometimes when you see them like a rocky road, there are some blessings that come and the devil will try to stop you. I lie. I'm nervous as fuck. I'm going to hope this elevator pull you up. Yeah, but we're in an elevator with our vibes. Hosanna! Hey! She called me the Godfather. Hey! Rifle a wave like a bandana.
Yeah, so Valiant. Our go on. Our kind of technical difficulties. You know what I mean? Yeah, because we don't have the whole for information, but more likely the artist, a booking, or somewhere in New York, one of them hotel there, you see me and say, or Airbnb, you see me and say, because you don't know. Have a little place where you could have go mash up around one part. Zin. But I'm not going to say the artist salt. Because see sure, you see me and say, yeah, and a banana chips. Zin, and the girl them bubble gum. So watch you now. You jump in a, I don't know, people tell me. Because I know most people might never experience something like that yet. But tell me in the comments, you see me and say, reason with me what you would do. Because I help the artist of all out, but him look calm. Still in the situation, you know what I mean? Because no fumble double no go on. Because if fumble double did go on, you don't know. All elevator would have lean, light lock off, topsy-turvy in there. You see me and say, because as you can see, it look like a him warrior them. You see me and say, few of them. Zin, and I know say leap. If you did cool like chips, you start sweat. No, hey. Jaja. You know what I mean? Nervous and fret like a guitar. You see it? Watch a man. The musician does Jaja, the artist Jaja. So Airbnb people or hotel people now. Our go on. Because if light go in, you must have a backup generator. Something. Zin.
Moji.
Be careful over here.
Hold this way, yeah?
Yeah, hold this way. Fuck. Alright, watch your head. You're going to be going behind you, right? So in front of you there's a shaft there, but you got to be careful.
Oh, no, I'm going to do that.
What's wrong?
Let's open as well. The elevator mechanic here as well.
Yeah, but you don't have to choose blood.
We're getting out of the top.
What is about that? I'm live.
So people, Valiant in the elevator ball out for help and thing. I don't know technical difficulty. I don't know if I light go away. I don't know if I one of them, you know what I mean, the metal cable there, when I pull it them or something jam up. But as you can see, rescue come. You know what I mean? Give thanks Almighty. It never worse or nothing no go down where Jamaica couldn't deal with right now. Cause the girl them bubble gum. You see me and say, and some can't forward and the girl them bubble gum. You see me and say, yeah, give thanks Almighty and give thanks to life. Cause you don't know, things could have worse. give thanks the thing better and alright. Because see, there's a ladder I'm a climb now, so a higher heights. You see me? Rescue it name. Yeah? Rescue. Simple as you see it. Yeah, man, is a predicament. You know what I mean? Who could have tell how long the artist could have to dead as a wait? You know what I mean? Although somebody would have figured it out, because somebody would have must want to travel upon the elevator and realize it nah forward. Or if them have a monitor system like, you know what I mean? Oh, King Alarm, because me used to work around Archive. King Alarm also was in, but on the technical leverage. So more time them set up a little thing where any folly go on in the system, it show up on a monitor and show you exactly which part the folly are going, so you can go over there, go address it. You see what I say? And sort it out. But yeah, people, big up yourself. Give thanks to your listening ears. Give thanks to the Reggae Vibes Media community. All of the subscribers, them. Everybody were there. You see me I say? And who just buck up on the channel, Reggae Vibes Media, the world media. Yeah, you can subscribe. Yeah, like and share. You don't know. Big up to all of Uno, because Uno make it possible. Me attack it raw. Yeah, man. Valiant, the girl them bubblegum. Big up yourself, me artist. Rescue. I mean, safe.
Book your season band tickets exclusively at dreamwknd.com. And remember to use discount code REGGAE and save.